Are you serious?
There it is.
Oh my gosh. You guys, there's nobody driving this car.
There's nobody in that. I'm Nick Campusano.
I'm Kristen Campusano. We have 4 boys. We have our hands full all the time. I think grocery shopping is probably my biggest chore of the week.
I'm Rosemary Nava, and I'm 81. I do get busy. I'm still working part-time, and so I could see that ordering something and being delivered here would be wonderful.
I'm Aruna.
And I'm Anita.
I'm an artist musician. I don't like to go to the store.
It's like a cute robot came down the street and delivered our groceries for us. It's an actual car.
And it has lights?
Yep.
I have never seen a self-driving car before. This is a first experience for me.
I went and touched the screen. I put my pin in.
And the doors opened. It was so simple. I thought it was exciting. My dog, Jack, thought it was exciting.
You guys were the first ones to get donuts out of a robot.
Convenience is the future, right? We literally ordered food online and it just rolled up, but there's no driver inside. Oh, that's wild.
Wow.
But check it out. Once we were done getting our groceries, the doors closed. It said goodbye and drove off.
It was a friendly car. The price of delivery is so reasonable, something I can well afford.
To be part of the first one.
It's awesome. I love being ahead of technology.
This is exciting. This is the future.
I hope one day this is all over the world. And this is only the beginning.